Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's card is this one. I love the dinosaurs. They are so cute. I like to go pinky today. This is the one I went for. This dinosaur, he just looks like he wants to give me a big cuddle. Love it. And how friendly is that pterodactyl? No idea what kind of dinosaur that is, but it's cute. And so, like I said, I went on a lovely lipstick background for this, making it a pinkier version. But I'm going with a different one. Oh, I forgot to cut a piece of paper. Oh, that was a bit daft. Okay, peacock blue. And I forgot to cut the DSP. Let's do that now. Okay, piece of cardstock, cut it in half, score it in half. And then a piece of designer series paper that is 1/2 centimetre. Oh, that's my scoring blade. 1/2 centimetre narrower and shorter, about 1/4 inch. So we're going for a bluey background. I just got that lovely one on the back. Love the papers. Right, let's try that one again. Cardstock in half. So cut it in half, doesn't matter which direction, score it in half. And my layer will fit perfectly over the top. This one is 2.5 centimetres shorter and narrower than this piece. And that's a further 1/2 centimetre. So that would be an inch. This would be an inch shorter and narrower, and that's what's going to give you enough of a border of the paper. Right, so only need to do a little bit of stamping. So we've got the bundle, Dino Days and the Dino Dies. I'm going to do those in a minute, but I'm going to pull out this palm tree, which I think is quite a lot of fun, and then the palm fronds. And let's have a long thin block. Which one's this? This is an H block. And I'm going to go with crumb cake so that you can see it. Garden green. And I'm going to pull out my pretty peacock. So I want my crumb cake for the tree. I'm going to put that off there. And let's grab another block for the garden green. Oh, actually, no, that's Old Olive, isn't it? Let's change that. Old Olive. One there. Well, I don't know. One there. And then, oh, I don't want this to go off. Because the only bit of stamping off I'm going to do is onto there. So, let's get this scrap. There we go. I always have a clean piece of grid paper before for when I'm filming, and that was the only little bit that was going to go and I didn't want to waste. Okay, that one there. And then the words we've got: thanks for being a Friendosaurus. I love you this much. You're awesome. I like the Friendosaurus. I love it. I think that's just the cutest phrase. So, and then pretty peacock. Down. And that is it for the stamping. Well, to be fair, that was quite a lot. There was 3 lots of stamps. And what I've got now is I've got my Dino Dies, which are in here. And then I've got my sheet that I keep hacking into. You've seen me do this. And I would like, because this is my paper, the designer series paper, and I want that guy. And I want a green pterodactyl who is over the other side. So what I'm going to do is in case I die cut the cuddly dinosaur, I think that's what I'm going to have to call him, cuddly dinosaur. I'm not taking too much away. Okay, there's my pterodactyl and my diplodocus. Is that a diplodocus? Oh, paleontology, never my strong point. I've learnt what I know from Jurassic Park. Okay, so magnetic platform, clear plate, and I'm going to put my pterodactyl down over here and line it all up, and then my diplodocus down here. Line that one up, clear plate over the top. And you know what, I need a shim for this because it's DSP, it's designer series paper. So it's that little bit thinner than cardstock. So just a sheet of black cardstock acts like a shim. And oh no, I jumped my diplodocus. He moved. Oh no. Oh well, it's homemade. It's all good. Scooch those out of the way and start putting it together. I could cut another one out to be fair, but I'm not going to. Right, snail on here. And then my piece of designer series paper onto my card front. That one into the middle, and I'm going to take some dimensionals. Do you know what? I'm not happy enough with that one. I'm really not. Oh. And I've also just had a thought. It's going to go right over the top of the words. You're not going to see it anyway. Right. Which one shall I have instead? Who's going to fit? Is this guy going to fit? We'll make him fit. He was going to go over the words, wasn't he, Mr. Diplodocus? That's okay. So, where is he? He's there. And I need this one. Round 2. At least there's plenty of dinosaurs to choose from. I'm going to hedge my bets that that's a Stegosaurus. Wouldn't actually officially know, but oh well. Oh, I didn't put the shim on. That's better. Happier now. Oh, that's everything. It's just landed on the floor. Oh no! And look, I've now got 2 green ones. Oh well, it's okay. So we'll have a Diplodocus there. I was trying to go for 2 different colours. Didn't work, did it? And yeah, a couple of dimensionals on there. Lovely, happy pterodactyl there. Those, I think, are lovely. Love them. Just so cute. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.